And thank you for joining us. I'm Mike Deneau. While most Angelenos have been enjoying the warm weather so far this fall, LA County's Department of Public Works has its eye on the upcoming winter storms. Right now, the Department of Public Works is making sure its flood control facilities are ready to withstand the worst case scenarios.
Typically, we consider the storm season to start October 15th and go through April 15th.
The county's Department of Public Works is in fourth gear getting ready for the unavoidable. Here at Pasadena's Devil's Gate Dam, crews are removing a massive amount of dirt and debris.
The concern is that the sediment would plug the outlet works, basically those gates and valves, and we could not release that limited amount of water during the storm season. Then when you get a major storm event, all your flow would go through the spillway uncontrolled, and you could have some overtopping during major storm events along the channel.
The county operates and maintains a network of flood control facilities, including 14 large dams and other small debris basins and flood control channels that try and capture control of stormwater. Devil's Gate Dam sits along the 210 West Freeway and is responsible for a 31 square mile watershed up into the Angeles National Forest.
100% of it was burned during the station fire, so you get a tremendous amount of additional runoff and debris flows because there's not vegetation to hold it back.
Right now they're clearing 4,000 cubic yards of sediment here at the base of the dam to get ready for the upcoming winter season.
To put that in comparison, in one storm event you could have up to 2 million cubic yards of material come in during a major storm event.
The county waits until the nesting season ends to protect birds and other wildlife.
We do this at areas where we have access. A lot of the dams are full of water still from last year, or we maintain a pool in those reservoirs. Here at Devil's Gate Dam, we empty it every year and we let the storm flows wash through until it gets to a certain height.
And for more information on this and other projects by the county, please visit the website on your screen.